Hello students! Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of genetics and learn about how genes within chromosomes determine the inherited traits of offspring. Genes are like the instructions that determine our traits, such as eye color, hair color, and height. These genes are located on chromosomes, which are thread-like structures found in the nucleus of our cells. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes with one set inherited from each parent. When a baby is conceived, they inherit one chromosome from each parent, which determines their genetic makeup. This genetic makeup, or genotype, is what determines their traits, or phenotype. For example, if a baby inherits a gene for blue eyes from one parent and a gene for brown eyes from the other parent, their eye color will likely be brown. But how do genes actually work to determine our traits? Well, genes are made up of DNA, which is a complex molecule that contains the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. These instructions are like a recipe that tells our cells how to make proteins, which are the building blocks of our bodies. Each gene contains a specific sequence of DNA that codes for a particular protein. For example, the gene for eye color codes for a protein that determines the pigment in our eyes. If a person inherits a gene for blue eyes, their cells will produce the protein that results in blue eyes. But genes don't work alone. They interact with each other and with the environment to determine our traits. Genes can also be passed down from generation to generation through a process called inheritance. This is why children often resemble their parents or grandparents in terms of traits like hair color or height. In conclusion, genes within chromosomes play a crucial role in determining the inherited traits of offspring. They are like the blueprint that guides the development of our bodies and determines our unique characteristics. By understanding how genes work, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of life. I hope you enjoyed learning about genetics today. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about genetics, feel free to ask. Genetics is a fascinating field with endless possibilities for discovery and understanding. Have a great day.